This video is vacuumologist approved. What's the name of this video?
Royal Blue? Introducing my new vacuum cleaner. Dirt cups. 12 motor. Hoover Clean Performance 31.0. Got a hose. A self-propelled handle. Switch. Here are the features of my new vacuum. Clean motor. Hoover Clean Performance 31.0. Bagless. You know all my opinions on bag canister machines. It has carpet, a hard surface, and it has a self-propelled handle. Eye adjustment. You know how to order to lean forward. Medium carpet, hide carpet. Now the attachments. It's got a hose. It's got a hard surface tool. And the Hoover logo. Alright. Those are new tools.
What are they?
They're a new dusting brush, turbo brush, a new hard surface tool.
Can you show me the super brush? Wow. What's that?
Dusting brush.
Is it Hoover brand?
Mm-hmm.
Does it have a logo?
Not with it anymore anyway. It has 2 extension wands and a 1 crevice tool with the Hoover logo. See that?
I can't see the logo. Where's the logo?
Right there.
Well, that says 2-in-1. What is 2-in-1?
They are 2-in-1 crevice wand.
Oh. Oh, there's the Hoover logo.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
New scale to test out or weigh our vacuums. Royal Blue is, let's see how much it weighs. Now I'm not going to touch it whatsoever. It's 23.4. That's pretty nice. It has a nice royal blue color and customized wheels. White brush roll. Time to test it out. Let's plug it in. We're going to test out the self-propel and we're going to turn it on.
Wind tunnel.
The best thing about my Hoover wind tunnel model is U6630-900.
What else do you like about your vacuum?
I like that it's self-propelled, and it's bagless, and it's 12-amp motor, and it's a nice washable filter, and some nice anniversary cord, and some it's got a fancy performance indicator. It says if it's dirty, the red light comes on. If it's clean, green comes on. When we see in the dark, the light comes on. The best thing I love, Daddy, is my Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled.
Does it have your approval?
Yes. Vacuum battle coming soon.
Royal Blue versus.
Thank you everybody for watching my video.